Another handy feature with the audio system in here is if I go to my tunes, click on the little icon there, which is a solid red triangle with a couple of red circles. That's kind of a broadcast symbol. And you see there iPhone and BT radio. BT radio is this car's Bluetooth system. If it's not ticked already, just click on it and that's it. Back to your tunes, click play. Now, if we go to source, well, if we switch it on, that'd be a help. Then go to source, input aux 1, no. So that plays your tunes from your phone through the audio system. It's really simple to set up. Just click source a couple of times until you can see your phone or the tune that should be playing is playing.